Oh, isn't this my lucky day? What do we have here? An unfortunate trainer in the middle of a snowstorm. I guess you're trying to catch the mythical Pokemon that only appears in blizzards. And your inexperience is the reason for your downfall here, huh? It's been a very long time since I last saw a trainer who was as cute as you. And it'd be a waste if a handsome prey like you were left to rot in a chunk of ice. You're lucky that I still have a heart for beautiful things. You may live, but do not tell what happened today to anyone, or I will find you and finish my meal.